Good day to you all. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing some fried shrimp. To get started, I have the shrimp already washed, deveined, and I clean it up really well. Here I have some cornstarch, all-purpose flour, garlic and onion powder, Old Bay, complete seasoning, and black pepper. This will be used as our breading. I have some hot sauce and the same seasoning that we'll be adding to the breading I have in here. Also 1 egg. Now what you want to do is just combine all of your seasonings with the flour and the cornstarch, and we will set that aside. Next, you want to combine the egg with the hot sauce and the seasonings. We'll mix well, and this will be used as the marinade for our shrimp. Next, you want to add the marinade to the shrimp, mix really well, and we'll set this aside for about 10 minutes while we get our oil ready. Now let's make a quick bang bang sauce for the shrimp using some mayonnaise, sweet chili sauce, some lemon juice, sriracha hot sauce, and some soy sauce. What you want to do is combine all of the sauces, and yeah, this is it. It's so quick and easy. And you know what? I like bang bang shrimp, but I don't necessarily like the shrimp tossed in the sauce, because then the shrimp becomes soggy, and I don't think I like that. So I prefer to use it as a dipping sauce. Now let's start the frying process. You want to take your shrimp, generously coat it into the flour mixture, and you want to continue that process until all the shrimp are nicely coated. Then we'll head over to the stove and start frying. Now add your shrimp into your preheated oil. Make sure that the oil is nice and hot, and we'll fry these for about 2 to 3 minutes. You don't want to overcook them. So in about 2 minutes we'll remove it, and we'll carry on with the same process until we're all done. And here you have it, easy fried shrimp with bang bang sauce. This is a great appetizer recipe, and I hope you all give it a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients that I use down in my description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching and enjoy.